It's Wolf and Sophia.
Media Day, giving you like sneak peeks into all the latest and hot cars. So
Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
Bye-bye. And I think they offer installment plans. What's the lease? What's the lease on this bad?
Yeah, what is the lease?
Yeah, grand a month? Very exclusive.
I think the way everything literally just...
See the way it popped open? $527 Canadian plus that. Bentley, pick your choice. Bentley or Lambo? What do you say?
I would have to say...
Your choice is these two, Bentley or Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Sophia somewhere in the back. Oh my god, I spotted a YouTuber. She's
Hey! YouTuber spotted!
the Autostrada booth.
Shot of espresso. Cheers.
Being very Euro. Cheers. Check out Floyd Mayweather's Bugatti, or former Bugatti.
Mayweather's
the Veyron.
Look at that. Look at that.
Wondering what that little device is coming out of it. Say hi, Sophie.
Model.
Checking out the Wicked rides.
This first row.
You know who the previous owner of that car was?
Who was the previous owner?
I'm gonna give her some facts. J-Lo like her. So previous owner, J-Lo.
That's fun.
In the paperwork for that Koenigsegg.
Yes. I'm ready to pick
Like a suitcase of cash.
It's coming home
And we're
with
gonna
me.
take it home. We're just driving.
It's coming home with me. This baby.
Hot Wheels. You're gonna feel like kids. Check it out.
Is that where you're gonna go? Is this your seat?
Been there, done that. 4 people through. But he's a fucking two. That cop's the type of guy that's gonna give a ticket to his own mother. Fucking the dilemmas we face in life, huh? Oh yeah, check out these ghetto blasters, baby. Yeah. Now that is proper nostalgia.
Movie?
Back
The
to the
space
future.
thingy. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Sick. I think I like this display the most. Vitamin C. All right, who loves the 80s? We're gonna check out video gaming. These old school computers, boy.
Wow.
These, the floppy disk. Okay, before.
What is that?
We lost kangaroo. Oh, no bueno. Let's see what's going on here.
Yeah, but like I don't know how to check.
What's this car say?
In the pink.
In the pink. But
Yeah.
use your imagination. A Lego Lambo. We're gonna go take you. Check it out. How many pieces of Lego?
Hi. Ask me
There we go. What do you do for a living?
I'm a porn star. Different colors?
Oh yeah.
What color?
Whatever you want. So wilderness ones.
What?
So. The question: how many pieces of Lego?
Many pieces of
Take a
Lego.
guess. How many?
100,000.
Times
1,000,000.
4.
400,000?
So 400,000 pieces of Lego. And 3,600 hours of man hours labor to put it together. Crazy.
So this, you can't drive it, right?
No, it's not. It's just a showpiece. Did they use crazy glue to
I
hold
hope
the pieces
so.
together?
Imagine you blowing it and it just crumbles.
This one is not like real deal. $808 horsepower. Is that enough horsepower for you, babe?
800? Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't that like the max?
I believe we did show you a video of this in the wild. 630 is not too bad according to Sophia.
3.7 million.
Okay, so 3.7 US versus 3 mil for the Koenigsegg. Which one would you have? Hard decisions, eh?
The Hurricane, the STO. It's cheaper.
No, but the Scion is 3.6 or 3.7.
I like the
USD.
blue, actually.
The blue?
I like the blue better than this one.
Once again, I'm very biased. I'm going with the Lambo. She's complaining. Why?
My toes hurt.
What not to wear to a walking show, but it's okay.